Thuguri ya indo itakinyaniirie ikiro ari undu koretwo ari muigwa kuri honge itiganite anyitite mimatongoretio ni ruhonge rwa kuhitana na indo GUKUNGO Anti-Counterfeit Authority ni mahananitie thuguri ino notoi
implement the tool we tested
igongona-ini ria gukungwira muthe wa kuhitana na thuguri ino. Riboti ni yonanirie bururi wa Kenya uragwo ni ciringi birioni 800 o mwaka kumana na wendia wa indo GUKUNGO.
ACA estimates that the value of illicit trade in Kenya is about 800 billion shillings, or about almost 10% of your GDP. And this impact is widespread and deeply felt.
And we are doing this not for ourselves. We are doing this because of that consumer, that innocent man walking on the street, going to buy goods, or purchasing something that may be harmful to his health.
Riboti ino oho no yonanitie NJOHI niyo itongoretie thuguri-ini ino. NJOHI muthemba wa ndibei igitongoria na gicunji kia 50, NJOHI muthemba wa bia ikirumirira na gicunji kia 47, whisky na gicunji kia 42, vodka na gicunji kia 36, gin na brandy ikirikana nicio ithe makiria na gicunji kia 23 na 19.
Again, expected, the longest barrier, that 6%, they tell us it is the customers. It is the customer who is demanding to get a cheaper product. It is the customer, therefore, who is willingly buying.
Uthuthuria no wonanitie gicunji kia 45 kia AKENYA mena utauku wa thuguri ya wendia wa indo itakinyaniirie ikiro. Uthuthuria uria wikitwo kaunti-ini imwe ukionania gicunji kia 98 kaunti-ini ya Busia mena utauku, Machakos gicunji kia 90, Garissa gicunji kia 66, Mombasa ina utauku uria withi makiria na gicunji kia 63.
There are two big giants coming in, China. But look at Kenya, which tells you that Kenya is also doing their own game inside here, physically, but not so hugely online. But they are physical. Uganda, and note the link with the Busia that I've just presented.
Mwaka-ini wa 2020 gicunji kia 20 hari igana honge-ini itiganite no kio kiari na utauku wigie thuguri ya wendia wa indo GUKUNGO sector-ini ciao, no riu uthuthuria wonanitie gicunji kia 71 nikio kina utauku.
Ungigura kindu uramenya no agirwo ni kuheo rithiti kana kiria twitaga warranty ni iria ikoragwo igikurugamirira kwa ihinda ati kindu kiu kingithie kirehe thina ni ugucoka, tiga gwitikira kuhenio ati ndungiheo rithiti kana ndungiheo warranty iyo, insist na waga kuheo thie ndukengi.
Gukiri uguo gicunji kia 69 hari igana kia AKENYA ni mari magura indo GUKUNGO matekumenya, gicunji kia 86 gikiuga magikorwo no menyo wa kuigana no metheme kugura indo GUKUNGO. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhitana na indo GUKUNGO Dr. Robi Njoroge akiuga niguo gubatarania muingi ohigio cigie ugwati uria umangetheire hari kuhuthira indo GUKUNGO.
And then the mindset needs to be changed, and then we need to work with the online platforms as well, so that it's a complete holistic approach to this. That's the only way we can tackle this.
That issue of how do you identify a counterfeit from fake, we are collaborating with brand owners so they can train our agencies and particularly our law enforcement officers.
Nituramuria mwe consumers rekei tumenye indo iria tuhuthagira ikoragwo ihana atia.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.